Hey friends, have you heard statements like these? I ate only half a chapati. My father takes quarter of an hour to drive from our home to his workplace. The farmer plowed 3/4 of the field. Rajesh could drink only 2/3 of a glass of milk. The words half, quarter, 3/4, 2/3 represent a fraction. Thus, a fraction is a number that stands for parts of a whole object or a collection of objects. What is meant by fraction as a part of whole? Let us understand it by an example. Sheena buys an orange. She divides it into 2 equal parts so that she can give equal share to her brothers. Each part is called 1/2. 1/2 is written as, it is read as 1/2 or 1/2 or 1/2. So, how many 1/2s are there in a whole? The answer is 2. Look at the figure. It is divided into 3 equal parts. One part is shaded. Shaded part represents 1/3. 1/3 is written as 1/3. So how many 1/3s are there in a whole? There are 3 1/3s in a whole. Representation of fractions. Friends, do you know how can we represent a fraction? Have a look. If we shade 2 parts out of 3 equal parts, it represents 2/3 or 2/3. Similarly, to represent 3/4, we will shade 3 parts out of 4 equal parts. Now look at this figure. It is divided into 5 equal parts. 2 parts are shaded, so the shaded parts represents 2/5 or 2/5. This fraction is a part of a collection. Look at the collection of dolls. 3 dolls are separated by a line. The dolls separated on the left represent the fraction 3/7 or 3/7. Let us understand the terms numerator and denominator. Look at the fractions represented by shading parts in the figures shown on the screen. Here each fraction has 2 numbers separated by a rule. The number above the rule is called numerator. The number below the rule is called denominator. We should remember that if 0/5 is a fraction, then numerator is 0. There is no fraction whose denominator is 0. When the numerator and denominator are equal, the fraction represents the whole, or 1. For example, if a circle is divided into 3 equal parts and all the 3 parts are shaded, then it represents 1.